What's up guys, Everything Apple Pro here, returning for our annual top iPhone cases drop test at our 50-foot tower. Let's go ahead and test the latest and greatest iPhone cases, and of course the claims these companies put out as to being the best, most durable. Do you even need a bulky case when phones are this durable in 2022? We got ceramic shield on the 13 lineup, and then titanium coming later this year, supposedly on the 14 Pros. So are cases obsolete, or are they still needed? Let's do 50 feet, of course in our regular style with a bunch of iPhones. Let's get to it. All right, so we got these bad boys here. I'm gonna start with the Pitaka Mag Easy Case Pro, using a very unique design process where the Kevlar goes over the sides with TPU fin. I actually really like it. Gotta give props to Pitaka. Love to see what they do and how they keep innovating. Oh, and by the way, to make this fair, we have our new Rebel glass, 0.4 millimeters, actually quite strong on all the phones being dropped today. We include 3 in our new release. What I like about this one is just how square the design is, going with the natural chassis of the iPhone. 3, 2, 1. Oh, not a survivor. I can see the green lines from here. Yikes. So straight on the bottom, Kevlar chipped, TPU held up well. Glass did not break, but the phone did get dented through the case. There's just not enough material there. Quite a dent there. Surprised that neither of the glasses broke. Definitely would not say that's a survivor. And green with the black Rebel series. Pop this open, a slimmer case. There's that beauty. Glass included, metal buttons, super tight fit, and raised corner protection, which I hope does well on this drop. Logic for this one was a slimmer case, protection where you need it. Phones are getting more durable, so slimmer, more comfortable. Here we go, 50 feet, Rebel series, 3, 2, 1. And right under the slow-mo iPhone. And wow, nasty impact there on the corner, but our claw corner seems to have saved it, and the ridge around the lens. Wow, let's see what it looks like inside. Pretty much flawless. Wow, I am shocked. Rebel series Gen 3 saved the day. Quite a lot of deformation in there, but better the case than your nearly $1,000 phone. And next up, Mous Limitless 4.0. These guys have been around for quite some time. Their name is known for super high drops and stunts. And we got the TPE on the insides. We have ours just in the corners because it pretty much is pointless on the sides. Kind of a round, bubbly design. Symmetric ports. Let's see if these still hold up. Definitely like their simple style. Don't like the banana wedge on the side look. Raised lips. Mous Limitless 4.0 in 3, 2, 1. Okay, nasty gouge there. Oh wow, the back shattered. The rear, it seems, has consequences for no impact resistance, just plastic here. And that one did not survive. So they used to have a microfiber in here. It seems that still is necessary, as the back glass is not the new ceramic shield on the iPhones. Casetify Bounce, it's their all new release, their most extreme case ever with these massive bat looking bumpers. Quite an extreme statement with this case. Actually don't not like this one. Corners kind of dig into your palms, makes a small phone feel big. Plastic X brace inside for structure. Casetify Bounce. This is a $90, $80 to $90 phone case. That's insane. 3, 2, 1. Not as much of a bounce as I thought. Let's see how it did. One of the corners came up. Oh, that's not too good. The phone is non-responsive. Glass is intact. The phone is a little bent, it seems. Impact point on the top here. That's a very strange one. The shock has went through the phone. It's non-responsive. Underneath the skin, it's okay. So half survivor. Always a classic, the Dbrand Grip. Got a nice marble skin on this one. This is their new one with MagSafe. Got the accompanying skin for it here. Also a banana style lip design. Very, very nice grip as the name suggests. Very simple design in 3, 2, 1. Screen is responsive, quite the impact. Phone is bent. Besides the phone bending, it's all responsive. Glass is intact. Very simple design, microfiber for shock absorption. Worked out very well. Great job, Dbrand. Next up, we got the Rhinoshield solid suit in white. This one has no MagSafe. Plastic honeycomb on the inside and sides. These usually don't do too well on the impact. Not a lot of places the shock can go. A very bright statement. Soap bar case. In 3, 2, 1. Looks like our screen protector took the brunt of the impact, and underneath the glass is intact. On the back side, also intact. Phone is only ever so slightly bent. Actually, well, that's quite a bend, but working. Next up is Phone Rebel Flex Series. This is our naked case. As you can see, it's unlike anything out there with the open sides and claw design. So we've got the side protector films on, quite dashing in the vivid red. Flex Series, the most comfortable case because really it feels like there isn't one on the iPhone 13. In 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that's a back impact. And screen looks intact. Oh, what just happened? I just touched it and it turned off. Did survive. As you can see, our claw corners, that little difference it made here. Kevlar is not scratched because these all took the brunt of the impact. Camera lens ring, and the phone is working after a quick timeout and reboot. And next up, Apple's clear case. Haven't done one of these in a while. They have a wonderful clear sheen. Unfortunately, a completely exposed bottom. Vivid red in here. Apple's clear case makes the Red 13 pop quite vividly. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, that just hit the weakest point of the case. Yeah, I don't think that one survived. Yep. Similar to the first drop here, glass did survive, but unfortunately it hit the weakest point of the case, which has left quite the impression inwards here. Case is cracked and just not a very durable one long term. OtterBox Commuter series, probably one of their slimmest durable cases. Never did like these two-piece cases. High lips, thick borders. Blue on blue works here quite well. In 3, 2, 1. Quite a bit of aerodynamics at play. A grizzly sight. I didn't expect that, honestly. Phone slipped out of a 2-layer enclosure and the glass did its job despite an impact into the corner here, which is quite visible. Don't like the fact that you can't trust the bulky look. Now this one goes back to the teenager days spec with their new Presidio 2 grip based on the old iPhone 3G, 3GS case designs. Nostalgic iPhone case. 2, 1. Oh geez, that's a face down one. This is one of those, just gets unlucky, I guess. Back is okay. Oh wow, I thought that was broken. No way, so the screen did survive. So that's our new 0.4mm glass. It even breaks differently than other screen protectors. Super high aluminum content. Lifeproof next. This is a 2-layer case, separates like such. If it wasn't so bulky, I'd say this is a really cool design. Actually adds quite a bit of width. 3, 2, 1. Bottom impact, a lot of roll. What do we got here? Game over for the case. Plastic is fractured, separated, but phone is intact. I guess that's part of the safety feature, ejection. And we got a bit of an overkill here with the Pelican shield with Kevlar. One of the biggest cases I've ever seen in an age when it doesn't really need to be this way. 2-layer, definitely looks quite industrial, and you're a mile away from your speaker ports. 21 feet military standard. In 3, 2, 1. That's a face down one. A lot of deformation here. TPU's going sideways. Screen protectors now cracked. Some concrete did get through. Otherwise, phone glass itself is intact. Uag Monarch, a design that hasn't really changed much. No MagSafe, but tried and true performance. Really nice color here. A bit bulky, but still like it. 1. And, oh, yeah, that one didn't do too well. So the corner slipped off. The glass screen protector survived. The glass underneath did not. A quite nasty impact. Oh, look at that. I think that's a first. The stainless band dislodged, pushed the glass back. That did survive, but the 13 Pro is done. And as a bonus, we'll drop our Phone Rebel Frosted Series Gen 3. Let's see if the clear back holds up just as well as the Kevlar. So we brought the Frosted Series back. Feels very similar to the matte OEM feel of the Pro Series phones. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm nervous. So it's right on the interior TPE impact point, and phone has survived. The TPE bumpers did their job. These are designed to absorb shock where it's needed most, on the corners, in order for the sleek design to work everywhere else. And last one, just to bring the point home, Flex Series. I'm gonna drop this one in the new Alpine Green on the 13 Pro. So we'll see if the extra height between the screen and the ground can compensate for such an open design. 50 feet. This really is our baby as far as our products go. We started the company with this one. Definitely unique. The 13 Pro in Alpine Green. 3, 2, 1. It's a heavier phone too. Okay. So what do we got? That's an impact. Got rocks embedded. Phone glass has not broken, nor has the back, but it is not responsive. As far as the case goes, took the brunt of the impact, but unfortunately that shock, the heavier phone, there was nowhere else for it to go. Another half survivor here. The case is still highly recommended in 2022 as phones are still vulnerable to deforming and shock damage on the inside. We saw a lot of phones that just did not turn on after dropping. These are the good ones, so can't go wrong with them. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.